Alright, this video is for the sharp curve and the wide curve. So the yellow-green one is the sharp curve and the yellow one is the wide curve. So the instructions for both are actually just the same. It's just the thickness of the thing that you're going to be cutting. That's the only big difference between the two. So what we're going to do is we are going to go and look into how to cut this up and how to set it up. So this is the sharp curve, and we have the other one, which is the wide curve. So in this page, each page you can have up to, I believe there are 2. All right, you'll have, no, 4. You'll have 4 sharp or wide curves. And what we're going to do is I'm going to show you guys how to prepare them and cut them for your project. All right, so let's do this. So first off, again, the same thing applies. If it's a dark line, you have to go and cut them up. As you can see here, we're going to cut this paper right dab smack in the middle. All right, so this particular image right here has 2, you can create 2 wide curves on this one. So let me cut that in half, and then from there, we are going to again do the same thing with the dashed lines. All right, so here we're going to work with this side. And again, we're going to go and scour that so that way we can fold it. So here we go. Let's go and fold it up. All right. Well, scour it. Finish this up. Okay. If you're using a pen, don't go too deep or too hard because it might actually tear. So as we said, as a practice, we cut those solid lines. So I'm going to cut each and every one of these tiny little houses. If you're using the green, they're a little bit thicker, but you're going to cut those things. All right, so as you can see here. So as you can see, this is the final product. We're gonna reinforce those the line. I forgot to fold them. I did scour them, but I didn't fold them. All right, so we're gonna fold it as such. This part is a little bit tricky, so I want to make sure you actually observe what is happening. So to do this, what you're going to do is you're going to line up those lines right here. Okay, so I'm going to fold them because we need to eventually fold them up because again, it's a track. It's just a curved track. So the first piece on the right, once those 2 pieces overlap, we go and use tape and tape it up. So like this, and we're going to tape up the inside or the outside, whichever you guys want. And then it will be good if you put that, what do you call it, a tape as well on the edge. So the edge is supposed to be standing up. It's not laying down. This is looking from up top. So what you need to do is you just need to continue doing this. And raise up that bar at the edge as well. So this is how we create the sharp curve slash wide curve. All right, so as you can see, there's that edge that is also standing up. So make sure that you keep that up. You can even add more tape to it. Alright, so this is the finished product of the white curves. As you can see, it still has the inner wall and the outer wall. So go ahead and do that. Work with the yellow and then you can work with the yellow green.